Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So right into the previous video, we saw that how you could execute up the test using the substring. Right, let's say you are having up a respective string and what you want is that from that particular string whatever the things you get and whatever the are your let's say whatever the test functions you are having, so from those test functions you get up your respective test cases to be run. Right, in that case the substring is one of the thing which you use out. Now let's see out a very quick demo, a practical demo for these substring things. Right, so what I'm going to do is that we already have about three test files for the examples which I did already showed you before. So I'm going to make up some changes into those test files only. Okay, I would not make some new ones or the things like that. I'm going to comment the test which we are having up here. Okay, I did comment it up. So now here goes div and it's test underscore fun1. Okay, and putting up the colon, getting down here, let's put up your my assert function, assert apple. Okay, let that not be apple for now. Let's put up some numerical things for now. So 4 multiplication 8 is equal to letter 24. I put it out. Okay, that's wrong, I know, but I wanted to make up my test rate run here as false. Okay, moving down, I have my second test case, test which has to be put up, that's def, and I could write up here test underscore, and I'm going to put up here the function. Okay, put up the colon, getting down right here, and I did put up my particular condition for this place. So it's again right here, my condition is assert, and that's 90 is equal to 21. Okay, that's gonna be wrong again. Moving down div, and here I am gonna put up test underscore 1. Okay, put up the colon, getting down, here goes assert is equal, sorry, assert 3 equal to 3. Fine. So I made up two of my test cases wrong here and one of my correct. So two test cases which are wrong is test underscore fun1 and test underscore function. These two are wrong here and the test underscore 1 is my correct one. Okay. Now here goes my test demo 2. Fine. So into that I'm gonna select and do control. Now here from this what I could do, I would write up again some of my functions at this particular place. So my test cases you could say, so div, and it's test underscore, once again test underscore, let's say it's fun2. Okay, and right now I'm gonna make that as correct. So here goes assert, and I'm gonna write up 45 is equal to 45. Okay, moving down again I have div, that's test underscore, this time I'm going to put it as function2. Okay, and again I'm going to put up the colon, and here goes my assert is equal to, this time I'm going to put up here orange. One second, I'm going to write up somewhat like this, that pink is equal to orange. Fine. So yeah, one condition has been put it up here. That's gonna be wrong, I know. Then here goes, let's say div, um okay, div, and it's still underscore demo, let's say. Okay, colon, and like this, get down, here goes my assert, and my condition is, let's say 78 is equal to 90. Fine. So the three conditions are, again three of my test cases have been mentioned up here, three have been mentioned up in this file, and for this as well I'm going to put up some things. So like this, and it goes like div. Right now I am having fun3, let's say, but it's test fun3, right? Putting up the brackets, colon, getting down. So here goes my assert function, and what's that function about? It's about, let's say, 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Okay, next going down, one second. Going down here I have div again, and that's the test underscore fun4. Okay, putting up the brackets right here, colon, getting down, and here I am having assert, and it's, let's say, Python is equal to, okay, it has to be inside a double inverted commas, so yeah, double inverted quotations is equal to, and this time I'm going to write up the reverse for Python. Okay, NOHTYP. Okay, so I wrote up the reverse for Python. So if this is equal to this, and here goes def, let's say it's test underscore demo 2, putting up the brackets, getting down here, and it's like that, assert, and I have 0 is equal to 0. Fine. So onto all of these three test demo files, I made all the three tests. I wrote up three tests in each of the test files, right? Let me go on to the terminal very quickly right here, and now let's put up the command. So I need to write up the PyTest, right? Let me zoom in. PyTest, then goes the dash k, right? Here goes my angular brackets. Inside my angular bracket, I really need to put up that for what I want to search it for fun. Okay, and here goes dash and hit out the enter. Okay, so fun, okay, it's 1 second. Let me check that out. So the command which we used was pytest dash k fun dash v. Okay, string for you for which we want to search of the file name. Okay, pytest dash k fun dash v. Okay, let me just quickly go ahead here. Okay, demo 1 is done, demo 2 is done, demo 3 is done. Okay, again I'm going to open up the terminal. So where it's opening a Python project 2, it's correct. So it's pytest. Okay, pytest. Then here goes my dash k. Okay, let's have put a fun one. Okay, and here goes dash v and hit enter. The system cannot find the file specified. Um, okay, so what we could do here is that I could use up the other method right here, and with that respective method we could actually find up that what are we getting up here. Okay, but actually why is it not doing? Because I was missing up one simple thing here, and let me tell you what I did wrong here. I need to write up here pytest dash k, but I did not need to put up the angular brackets. Okay, that's for the reason. Here goes fun and it goes dash v. Fine, so that wasn't required, which I was doing again and again, and that was putting up the angular brackets. Fine, so do not put up the angular brackets there. So there were total 9 items. In this, 3 were not selected and 6 items were selected. So from that 6 items, 4 are failed and 2 are passed. So from the test demo 1, both of the functions have been failed. From the test demo 2, 1 failed, 1 passed. And from the test demo 3, 1 passed, 1 failed. So from the test demo 1, test underscore fun1 and test underscore function, both of the test cases have been failed. From test underscore demo 2, test underscore fun2 and test underscore function2 have, sorry, test underscore fun2 is passed and test underscore function2 is failed. And from the test underscore demo 3, test underscore fun3 is passed and test underscore fun4 is failed. Now as I told you onto the one note which was the previous video, so into that I very clearly mentioned up that it's gonna take up the word which is fun from any of the functions, right? I'm using function, I'm using fun1, fun2, but it's simply extracting up the fun and it's giving me the respective output. So here's a failure. So test for fun1 has been failed. If that's the assertion error. This one again failed. Again you have the assertion error. Then test function 2 failed, your assertion error. Then you have the test underscore fun4 failed. Again you have your assertion error. So 4 are in total failed, right? So here from the test underscore demo 1, this particular function has been failed. Your condition has been failed, which is 32 is equal to 24. Then from your test underscore demo 1, your second condition has been failed, which is 90 is equal to 21. Okay, moving down, let me go above. Moving right here, so from a test underscore demo 2 file, this pink is equal to orange has been failed. And from a test underscore demo 3 file, your Python and this has been actually failed out. Right, so in total 4 have failed, 2 have passed and 3 have been deselected. Fine. So this is how you are getting up the complete idea. Let me quickly close this out and get back, and let me correct out all the things which I didn't make up wrong, right? So 8 fours are, here is 32. And let me put it as 90. I'm putting up and making up all of my conditions as true. So pink is equal to pink, that's true. And fun 3, this is true. For assert, okay, Python is equal to, here goes my Python, python, fine. Let me get back to terminal and let me write up my command. That's the PyTest dash k, here goes fun dash v, hit out enter. And now just have a look. Okay, one is again failed. Which one? Oh, I did row 34. I'm so sorry. Let me correct that out. It's 32 right here. Let me get back to terminal once again. So here it's PyTest, PyTest dash k, then here goes fun, and then goes the dash v, and then hit out enter. So now this time the 6 have been passed, and in total 6 have been selected, 3 deselected, and total items were 9. So 6 have been passed and 3 have been deselected, right? So great. So hope you got up the idea that with the help of a substring, how you could find and how you could run up your respective test cases. What's the command and how does that completely works out? Right, so this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.